We are pleased to show you the 2017 G80. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.